Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll teach you 10 everyday phrases in German. First is Oh mein Gott. Oh mein Gott. Repeat after me, meaning Oh my God. Second is Alles in Ordnung. Alles in Ordnung, meaning is everything okay. Oh mein Gott, alles in Ordnung. Third is Gern geschehen. Gern geschehen, meaning my pleasure. Fourth is Gesundheit. Gesundheit, meaning bless you. Fifth is nach Ihnen. Nach Ihnen. Nach Ihnen means after you. Sixth is kann ich Ihnen helfen. Kann ich Ihnen helfen, meaning can I help you. Seventh is bist du krank. Bist du krank, meaning are you sick or are you unwell. Eighth is nein das alles. Nein das alles, meaning no, that was all. 9 is sonst noch etwas, sonst noch etwas, meaning anything else. 10 is Gott sei Dank, Gott sei Dank, meaning thank God. Thank you. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye. See you in the next video.